Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select backgrounds. Now you have to select white background on the top. Tap on these tools. Now select the crop. Now tap on this portrait. Now tap on the tick mark. Perfect. Now you have to go to draw. Again tap on draw. Zoom out like this. Now tap on this add photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. Now tap on tick mark. Now move this background to here. Simply stretch it like this. Perfect. Now tap on this eraser. Tap on this eraser and tap on this first one. Now keep the size to 128 and decrease the opacity to around 40. Set. Now how to erase on the top portion like this. Okay, erase on the top portion. Now have to select the shapes. Tap on the square, scroll up, tap on this fill, tap on this OK. Now have to draw like this. Erase like this. Now tap on screen. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. The first step is have to go to add photo. This is the screenshot you have to take of your Instagram profile. Okay, you have to take the screenshot. Now tap on this crop only this profile like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now arrange this on the top portion here. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And the second step, you have to tap on add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is a circle PNG. Now scroll up and tap on this blend and select the lighten option. Okay, or you can select the screen. I will select the screen. Zoom out and arrange this here. Okay, arrange, you have to arrange perfectly in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now we have to add the model image. For this, tap on this add photo and select the model image. Then this is the model image. Now scroll up, tap on this cutout tool, select the outline, keep this size around 20, and we have to start drawing around the model image like this. Now tap on this arrow after the cutout. Now arrange this model image perfectly like this. Now select the shadow effect and increase to 100 and decrease to around like this 50. Tap on this position, keep this around 114 and keep this around 104 like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now have to select further PNGs, Instagram frame PNGs. For this you have to go to add photo and select the further PNGs. These are the 4 PNGs. Okay, first I have to keep this emoji in this position. Perfect. Now keep these dots PNG on the top. Perfect. Now keep this Instagram PNG one here, or you can keep here, and you have to tap on this blend option, make it screen. Now select the opacity, decrease like this. Okay, perfect. Now tap on this Instagram and tap on this layers, tap on this duplicate and arrange this in this portion. Okay, like this. Increase little size and here little. Okay, like this. Arrange like this. Perfect. Now arrange the smoke PNG on the bottom like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now further we have 3 steps. Next step is you have to add the model name. Tap on text, write type this model name. Done. Tap on tick. Now we have to tap on this pink up arrow, tap on my fonts and select this font. I will give this font link in the description, and I also give how to add font to the pixel. I will give that video link. Now tap on blend and simply make it overlay. Perfect. Arrange like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark, and final step, you have to go to draw, tap on draw, and you have to give some colors. I will give only 1-2 colors. Okay, it will take so much of time. Now tap on brush, keep this brush around like this, tap on these colors and select first color. I will select green. Okay, simply you have to draw here. If you want, okay, it will take so much of time, so I'm keeping only this color. Now tap on tick, and final step, you have to give the little touch up to the photo editing. Go to tools, go to adjust, give little brightness and contrast a little bit, and increase little clarity, saturation also a little more like this, and give decrease little highlights, shadow also decrease little shadow, give temperature. Video. Now simply tap on save, and this is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial.